Okay, so it's 11:42. We just got back from a movie. Let's see who our president of the United States is. Is it Hillary Clinton or is it Donald Trump?
This is over.
Dun 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 dun, drum roll. Oh, still don't know. And the day's almost over. We got 12 minutes left before it's November 9th. Tomorrow's November 9th, right?
197, that 244 total for Donald Trump does not yet include Wisconsin.
Clinton's not doing so hot. Never did.
There is so much to absorb tonight. We are so blessed to have two of our favorites.
So it's 10:45, not 11. I was off because of the daylight savings. But we still don't know who our president is. We still got like an hour and 15 minutes left to find out before it's November 9th. Let's see what happens. But right now it sounds like Donald's in the lead and Donald Trump's most likely going to be our president. And what we're going to do after this is we're going to see how many people actually move into Canada. We'll find out. So, I'm in my local grocery store looking. Yeah, that's what I'm doing tonight. Oh my gosh, socks. Oh, so fluffy. I wish I could buy some. Who doesn't need batteries? I mean, it is a charge. Nah, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. That's why not now? Why not always? Be alright. I can make a pet cake. Tater and Toto would love that. A pet cake. Is someone in there? Hello? Is someone in there? No one's in there. But don't you remember those videos when they were popular? They were doing them? Yeah. What I'm about to show you is my two dogs. And they're really, really dumb. My dogs are barking at something. Oh yeah, there's a rat. There we go. He's right there. Get him, Tater! Get him! Get him. You gotta kill this rat. I don't want it living in. Get it! Get it, Tater! Get it! Get it! Oh, you blind. Oh. Oh. That's. Oh, Tater. You failed me. Failed me bad. What? No, you should not be happy. You just let a rat escape. He just showed you that rats are smarter than dogs. Tater, you truly disappoint me. You better get that rat. Oh, look, there's one across the fence. It's going. It's gone. I just saw two rats, or either the same rat twice, which means either two rats are smarter than two dogs, or one rat is smarter than my two idiots. I just kind of wanted to share that small little clip because my dogs are so dumb. But I love them. They're the joy and sorrow of my life. Oh my God, there's a moth in here. Oh my God, there's so many bugs. We'll see what happens. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. 2 big thumbs up, because I don't have any thumbs. Like Tater said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up if you haven't heard it from a dog. You heard it from a person now live. Hey Tater. Yes. He's doing a lot better today, since he did not catch that rat. But he's doing a lot better today, aren't you, Tater? You doing a lot better today? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you again on another Life with Liv episode. Say goodbye, Tater. Okay. Much love to the camera. I see. Oh, what's that? What do you hear? You hear something interesting?